Today I'm going to show you a brief example of using inventory order management matrices. When items come in multiple options or variants, it can result in thousands of SKUs. The creation, management, and ordering of all these SKUs can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Acumatica has a matrix inventory feature which automatically creates inventory profiles based on predefined templates. Once these templates have easily been set up, it allows for quick and easy inventory management or sales or purchase order processing. Today we're going to look at a sample sales order used in the matrix, and we're going to use our item of t-shirts. T-shirts come in multiple sizes, multiple colors, and with a few quick buttons we can do a massive order that will include all the different sizes, styles, and colors that are available. Simply, we're going to add a matrix item to our thing. Once we do that, we open our matrix view, and it will bring in this matrix. You see that we have the different colors of shirts along with the different sizes. If you have a customer that needs to order multiple items in multiple sizes, this allows for quick and easy order processing without having to do multiple lines for each item. You'll see that we quickly added 45 items to this order in a matter of a few seconds. Once we add those items, we can click Add and Close, and those items will then be brought into sales order with all of those different details included. Again, how we got to this is we simply clicked on the Add Matrix item and allowed us to add all of these items in just a few seconds.